to include a portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Bedford, Blair, Franklin, Fulton, Huntington, Midland, Northern Center, Northern Clinton, Southern Center, and Southern Clinton. From late tonight through Thursday afternoon, heavy rain of 1 to 2 inches is forecast from early Thursday morning into the afternoon. The heavy rain may result in urban and poor drainage, flooding. Small streams and creeks can expect significant rises with minor flooding possible. Review flood safety and preparedness information at weather.gov/safety/flood. A warm front approaching, then becoming partly sunny. Highs around 60.
Here we go. Oh, come on!
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards.
Well, my TFT decided not to get it.
Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to a regular broadcast.
All right. You know what?
Will rise quickly within the next 24 hours. River crests at a number of locations along the Monongahela and Upper Ohio rivers rising to action stage. Within.
Alrighty, guys. You can thank my TFT here for not getting the weekly test. So, as you know, I'll have to do this myself. Oh boy. So, let's enter the password. Weekly test number 2. It is Columbiana, Ohio, Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence. Not assigned? Oh, God. Oh, well. And Hancock. Not assigned. Well, I guess we will... 15 minutes, and let's send the header then. Alright guys, well that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Statewide. Conditions will dry out Friday into Saturday with milder temperatures forecast for the first weekend. This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. A warm front